Read a newspaper. Toast on the grass. Pouring of concrete and tearing out trees. This is an environment that's around me. Hello everyone, I'm Mannat from class 3rd A, IDRS school. Got an opportunity to speak a rhyme in front of you. Do you know what is an environment? An environment is a natural world that surrounds us. It is important to keep it clean to live healthy and peaceful life. Now I start my poem. If a tree could talk, what would it say? If a tree could talk, what would it say? Don't chop me down, just walk away. Don't chop me down, just walk away. If a river could talk, what would it say? If a river could talk, what would it say? Don't dump in trash, throw it away. Don't dump in trash, throw it away. If a ear could talk, what would it say? If a ear could talk, what would it say? The factory must learn to keep smoke away. If a ear could talk, what would it say? The factory must learn to keep smoke away. If the animal could talk, what would it say? Help us to live, we wish to stay. If the animal could talk, what would it say? Help us to live, we wish to stay. If the earth could talk, if the earth